Gaming Guy 88 here with another video, and this is on the Gears of War Edition Xbox One S. Now, this console was released in 2016 to coincide with Gears of War 4. As you can see, the markings and stuff like that all over it and the controller. And I actually did play through Gears of War 4, and I do have the Xbox Elite controller from Gears of War 4. And yeah, both the game and the controller were both really good. Now, to the system itself, this system is an Xbox One S. So it has some features and certain things that are different from the original Xbox One. The USB port is on the front rather than on the side. Got the button right there to eject the disc, and got the power button here, which does make custom sounds. And you got your sync button and the infrared. Here over the fan is the Gears of War logo. And here are the laser etched in claw marks. And got the Xbox logo right up here. Now, looking at the rest of the console, here's one side of it here. And here's the other side. And of course, on the back, we have various ports. Now, this is where it's similar to the original Xbox One, except for the power cable port here. That's just where a power cable goes, and it has an internal power supply, so you don't have to worry about external power bricks or anything like that. But here is HDMI out, HDMI in, 2 USB ports, IR out, optical port, and the Ethernet port. That's about it for the console. Now, the controller here is similar looking to the console, and then it also has laser etching for the claw marks over the face buttons. Got your 2 black thumbsticks, got a shiny red D-pad. And of course, you got your 2 buttons there, Xbox home button up there. Got the Gears of War logo here, and got where you would plug in your headset. And of course, your shoulder buttons up here and over here. And on the bottom here, you have just a dark red finish with what I believe was a Nyko rechargeable battery, which it still matches the shoulder buttons on the controller. So yeah, I do really like this console. I wouldn't say it's terribly hard to find, because you can still get them online at GameStop for $300. But yeah, to have one of these with the controller is really cool, and especially since I'm a decently big Gears of War fan. I've played all the games so far, and I still need to finish the 5th one on the Series X. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you'll take care.